Welcome to Module 2, where we'll be customizing your online store. The first lesson would be really around choosing a theme. What exactly is a theme? Think of a theme as um, pre-built templates. They determine like the style, the layout of your website. So with themes, you literally define the look and feel of your websites, and these are typically pre-built. You set up these themes and you customize them to fit your brand and to fit a certain look and feel of what you're going with, which for your website. And there are two types of themes, which are free and the paid. We'll talk about the paid ones first. If you look on your dashboard, currently you just come all the way to where it says online store, and let's click on that. Clicking on the online store, the typical first option is your theme, and by default, I think this is typically the default theme for the Shopify store. It's called Dawn. What you can do, just so you have an idea of what this looks like, is to all the way at the top right here, see the option to view your store here. Just click on it so you see what your store looks like as is right now. You click on it, it opens in a new tab. You see we have Lumilux. It's basic. We haven't done anything with the default theme, so it looks super simple. But this is what a theme really is like. It predefines your layout and then you could customize it. So let's go back to here. So you have this section. In the case you have I talked about free and paid theme. In case you have a paid one, you could literally add that theme on here by uploading the zip file. You click on here and you can literally add the file here. We're not doing that in this case, so I'll go back. You could also visit the theme store, right? So if you go to the theme store, there's a bunch of themes you could literally, there's some free ones and there's some paid ones. I'll leave that to you. You could click into them and kind of like review like the theme, if it's something that you want or not. But that is to say that whenever you buy a theme or you get a paid one, always come back here and try to upload as a zip file. Okay, but for the purposes of this class and for simplicity's sake, we'll be going with a free one. Shopify offers you free themes, as you can see here, popular free themes. I will leverage one of these, and how do I make that decision? Dawn is the current active one, but I'm going for a jewelry look, so I want super minimalist and a simple layout. So let's see what this looks like. Just come on any theme and click on it. Opens up in a new tab just to see what that layout looks like. So it looks like a simple one with a white. I like this. It's super simple, and it's easy. You could also see like the different features it comes with and reviews and support and documentation. This helps you make a better informed decision. So things like cart and checkout notes. I'll leave that to you to make a decision on what specific theme, but it looks like I'll be going with the spotlight theme for now. So let's go back. Now to add this free one, all we need to do is to click on the CTA right here on the spotlight that says add. So I click on that and it starts installing the spotlight theme to our site. So after it's done installation, what we're going to do is activate it, and as soon as we activate that, that will replace the current Dawn theme that we have going on right now. Actually, the Dawn theme is a very popular one, so a couple of people use that right off the bat for your default store. But a couple of people use it right off the bat. I just decided to go with something else in this case. So there you have it. This is installed. Spotlight was just added. So the next step would be to publish it. As you can see, Dawn is still the current theme, like from this tag right here. We want to make Spotlight the current theme. So we'll come here and click publish. And clicking on publish says your online store is password protected, which is fine. Go ahead and click publish. And you can see now that the current theme is Spotlight theme. And if I decide to open this just to see what the store looks like, see, that's changed. So we have a different layouts now. And that's what I was going for. So that's what we have. We have chosen a free theme right now. The next steps would be to set up your home page. Set up a couple of pages so we can get our website looking as good as we want it to look. Join me in the next lesson. Let's set up our home page.